I received a pretty special delivery recently. 2 incredible pieces of yew wood. I thought it would be great to invite people into the design process and give me your thoughts on the journey from start to finish. So there will be 2 different sections and designs to this journey, one for each of the pieces of yew. Today I'm proposing 6 design options as a starting point for the larger piece. Proposition 1 is like a double cutaway Les Paul shape with 2 P90s. Hopefully the position of the live edges means I won't have to epoxy any of the gaps. Option 2's starting point was a sort of telly-esque shape that has been rounded and modernised with an interesting soft pebble carve. The third option takes inspiration from a Yamaha Revstar kind of shape, a design I've always really liked. I particularly like how the edges and holes interact with the form on this one. It is likely this one will need some epoxy filling. Option 4 is a fairly simple double cutaway that has been slightly modernised with some metal-inspired softening. I forget where the specific inspiration for the shape came from for Proposal 5, but I really like this, kind of a double cutaway Les Paul Jr. vibe. Just very simple. And finally, Proposal 6 is a wider version of an Iceman shape with 2 P90s, which of course will need some resin reinforcement. I like the contrast of the rustic charm mixed with the classical metal shape. So these are my 6 starting points. Please let me know if you have any favourites, suggestions or tips for any of the designs going forward. I'm really looking forward to hearing your thoughts. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.